Welcome in the bio unit by Dr. Bansode. Students, today we will see some additional sequences present in transcription unit and some additional sequences present in mRNA, messenger RNA. इनका कंपैरिजन करके देखें, कंपेरेटिव स्टडी करेंगे, मतलब थोड़ा सा आसान हो जाएगा ध्यान में रखने के लिए। और ये देखते समय हम चार पॉइंट ध्यान में लेंगे कि ये एडिशनल सीक्वेंसेस कहाँ प्रेजेंट है, उनका नाम क्या है, इज देयर एनी controversy in the name and their function, and what is their function. So in transcription unit additional sequences are present. अभी कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है? एडिशनल सीक्वेंसेस इन द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन यूनिट आर प्रेजेंट फर्दर अपस्ट्रीम और डाउनस्ट्रीम टू द promoter, and they are called as regulatory sequences. Why? Because they regulate promoter and structural gene. Is there any controversy? Yes, there is a controversy. These regulatory sequences do not code for any RNA or protein, then also they are called as regulatory genes. Generally we call those substances as gene, those who code for RNA or protein. But these these regulatory sequences do not code for any RNA or protein, then also they are called regulatory genes. Why? Because these regulatory sequences affect the inheritance of characters. As they affect the inheritance of characters, they are called as regulatory genes, not because they code for the RNA or protein. Then what is their function? Their function we have seen. They regulate promoter and the structural gene, and number two, they affect the inheritance of characters. Is the function of additional sequence present in the transcription unit. And what is controversy? They are called regulatory genes, though they do not code for RNA or protein. Now we will come to the mRNA. In mRNA, that is messenger RNA also, there are some additional sequences present at its both ends, means at 5 end as well as at 3 end. At 5 end, these additional sequences are present before start codon, and at 3 end, these additional sequences are present after stop codon. These additional sequences are referred as UTR, that is untranslated regions. These are called untranslated regions because obviously they are not translated. They are never translated, so they are called as untranslated regions. Then what is their function? These untranslated regions are necessary or are required for the efficient translation. ट्रांसलेशन की इफिशियंसी बढ़ाने के लिए, ट्रांसलेशन इफिशिएंट होने के लिए UTRs आर नेसेसरी. थैंक यू.